India once again in a diplomatic bind, with President Trump once again claiming it was he who brokered ceasefire between India and Pakistan.
But I stopped the war between Pakistan and India. This man was extremely influential in stopping it from the Pakistan side, Modi from the India side, and others.
Trump once again making it diplomatically awkward for India. As Trump's statement follows hours after he dialed Prime Minister Modi, where India made it clear that there was no mediation and Pakistan requested for ceasefire.
प्रधानमंत्री मोदी ने राष्ट्रपति ट्रंप को स्पष्ट रूप से कहा कि इस पूरे घटनाक्रम के दौरान कभी भी किसी भी स्तर पर भारत अमेरिका ट्रेड डील या अमेरिका द्वारा भारत और पाकिस्तान के बीच मध्यस्थता जैसे विषयों पर बात नहीं हुई थी। सैन्य कार्रवाई रोकने की बात सीधे भारत और पाकिस्तान के बीच दोनों सेनाओं की एग्जिस्टिंग चैनल्स के माध्यम से हुई थी और पाकिस्तान के ही आग्रह पर हुई थी।
While Trump spoke with Prime Minister Modi, he did lunch with Pakistan Army Chief Asim Munir, with Munir now recommending US President for the Nobel Peace Prize for the latter's alleged role in preventing a nuclear war between India and Pakistan. At the back of these optics, domestic politics peaks back home.
President Trump 14 times has claimed that he mediated between India and Pakistan, which meant that Operation Sindoor had to be, stopped, paused, as the Prime Minister says. And he used trade as an instrument. Now, for 37 days, the Prime Minister did not say anything. Why can't the Prime Minister call an all-party meeting tomorrow or day after tomorrow? Take the opposition parties' leaders into confidence and say the same thing which has been put out today.
Congress claiming India being sidelined diplomatically, being hyphenated with Pakistan. Trump's doublespeak diplomacy. Is it time to change India's policy towards America?
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe. If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.